Electric Baby Nail File, Baby Nail Trimmer for Infant by Cherish Baby Care is one of the best sellers among baby nail care products. Safe as newborn nail care, cut out of the worry of trimming your baby's nails when you use the battery-operated infant nail clippers and 4 buffer pads with different filing grains for a safe solution to cutting tiny nails. 4 interchangeable pads. The infant nail file kit comes with 4 sandpaper emery filing discs that are color-coded so you always know which pad to use with the automatic baby nail trimmer for safe and gentle nail care. 2 filing speeds. Trim each fingernail and toenail with confidence using the 2-speed baby electric nail file by adjusting the filer speed to keep your little one calm and happy with this baby manicure set. Easy to use. The ergonomic handle and cushion pads make the electronic trimmer easy to hold and maneuver when infants wiggle and squirm so you can gently file their fingernails and toes without risk of injury. Money-back guarantee. The manufacturer take care of the manufacturer's customers and stand behind the manufacturer's baby nail kit with a 60-day money-back guarantee. A perfect baby gift. The newborn nail file kit comes with a convenient storage case and 4 round emery boards for safe and gentle filing.